I don't think that's a love story. I think it's a one-woman show. Ikaw ay laging nagre-reach out sa kanya, ikaw lang laging nag-initiate ng conversation, ikaw lang ang naghihintay ng reply palagi. I don't think that's a love story. Parang internship yan at ikaw ay isang unpaid trainee. If a fam is inconsistent, imagine na lang kung talagang into deep ka na, ang sobrang attached ka na sa kanya, mas masakit yon. So, parang ngayon pa lang, masakit na, di ba? Na hindi pa kayo nagkita. You know, if you are dating an AFAM, obviously, or maybe not obviously, nakatira siya abroad. So, there's no way for you to go and check him in his house. Hindi mo alam kung buhay pa bang tao, anong nangyari, you know? So, different yon kung if you're dating a guy, nagka-Filipino, nasa Pilipinas ka, tapos, yan, parang nasa parehong barangay lang kayo, pupuntahan mo yan, no? It's hard for him to ghost you. But yung mga AFAM, pagbalik nila sa place nila, ayan, ghost ka na, hindi mo na malaman kung ano na nangyari kasi hindi mo naman mapuntahan. Unless sobrang yaman mo, pwede mo siyang puntahan sa bahay niya.